Welcome everyone, all things antique and Disney. Here back at Lowe's up in Cagans Crossing. I'm going to be looking for some clearance items, for some deals, see what they got going on. Like we always do, the cleanliness, friendliness of the staff. But Cagans Corners, Lake County, Claremont. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking. Let's start our adventure. Kind of quiet up here in Cagans. I was just at the Walmart and it was packed. Always try and go through the garden section first. See if there's any yellow tags. Let's see what we found here already. Now some bulk pricing. So if you need glue traps, hot shot. Let's see what else we can find. I don't see any of those cute little Disney flags that are usually sitting in the aisles right here by the outdoor patio furniture. See if any grills are on sale. I think I only came across one grill that was on sale. I forgot which store that was. It's in one of the videos for the Lowe's. It was only marked down to maybe $50, but some of these prices, $50 can go a long way, especially nowadays. I mean, $6.99, $5.49. Look at this one. Wow. Now that's actually not bad for $6.49. Smoke a lot of stuff on that. How deep the barrels. Gas or charcoal. $6.49. I didn't see who this was made by. Omaha Joe's. Definitely getting ready for springtime. Look at this. Wow. Reclaim your weekends. Okay. There's the specs on this. Try and go 24. Okay, wow. 50-minute charge time. Anti-theft alarm. Wow, GPS. Oh my good Lord. This has to be a price of a car. See if we can find the price on this thing. It's front and center right here. Obviously they want to sell them. More than likely it's probably special order. Doesn't say anything about ordering. Alright, let's look down here. Jeez. Nothing around the corner. Oh, I found a book. Let's see. Oh my good Lord. Wow. It's a whole manual on this. Installation. A couple different ones. And of course the book falls apart. There's no pricing or no order form to order it. Moving on. And of course, we always have to stop and check these out. Haven't raised the price on these yet, which is a good thing. Still want one though. Oh, I didn't even see the tow package in the front. Alright, we came to find some clearance and some deals. Let's see what we can find. Found something with a yellow tag on it. I don't know if it's a bulk item or... Yep, bulk savings. Most of the toilets we came across are on some type of bulk savings. There we go, some new lower pricing. Delta's actually a good brand. Oh, look at this double one. Hydro Rain. $10 off. Appliances have been on lower prices like Home Depot, but we'll stop here and see what. So $70 off, regular price, not too much of a savings. 32. Let's hop over to the next aisle. Rerouted myself. Always have to think. I still don't know why Home Depot doesn't do this. But thank you for all the men, women, doctors, first responders, everyone out there. Thank you for your service. Let's take a 30-minute silence. I said 30-minute, 30-second. Hopefully you knew what I meant, LOL. Alright, moving on. Thank you once again. We appreciate you on this channel for what you do, have done, and are still serving. I appreciate it. Let's go find some clearance. The store is actually very clean, opposed to some of the other Lowe's and Home Depots that we have ventured in together. I'm sure you have noticed. There's a clearance item. So if you're in the market for a water dispenser, Cagans Crossing, Lowe's. As I was saying, I'm sure you noticed in the prior videos how clean or dirty some of the big box, small box also, retailers have been, and have not come across any clearance end caps. I do see one. I'm going to check out some tools like we normally do while we're right here. Oh, yellow tag. Let's see what we got. Clearance item. Motion light. $29.99, $98, $24.97. Clearance. Not too much in here. Everything is kind of sporadic in here. Try and do the best I can to sort some stuff out so we can see. I'm not even going to go through that. Let's skip over that shelf. And it looks like Lowe's went digital up in Lake County also. At this one, I know we've seen, where was I? Leesburg store that went digital. Where's the displays? There they are. So we'll check out some lumber prices while we're here. I'll find the plywood. That's what everyone's interested in, is the plywood prices. I think it's this last aisle. And again, maybe not. Found the plywood aisle. And once again, no shortage of supplies here. But yeah, once again, I do see plywood is definitely on the rise, or has risen. I'm sure it will probably go up even more. And that's unusual to see an even price. Usually it's odd numbers. $66, $55. There's 66. 49. Oh, odd number 13. Oh man, I am very superstitious. No more 13s? Okay. Wow. Look at this one. 88. 68. Wow. Tool section time. We're over here by the Flex tools. Let me get the whole tag in there. I apologize. There we go. And then I'll get a close-up of tag for you. Oh, combo kit, $179. New lower price. What was the original? $249. Wow. $149 to $99. See if anything is over here worth taking a look at. What we got here? Craftsman. Doesn't have a was or now price. Kind of curious on that one. There's a Bosch. Mostly wrapped up. What's this one down here? I don't know if I would trust that. But it isn't new lower price. See what Dewalt has going on. No specials, no clearance. Nothing over yonder. Oh, what's this right here? Some batteries. Cobalt. Wish they would do some lower pricing on some of that plywood and lumber. All right, Craftsman. Oh, found a couple. So that's actually clearance. And that is clearance also. Combo kit. Check this out. Whole bunch of items here for $2. Looks like a bunch of electrical, some door hardware, face plates. Alright, some new lower pricing. That's that guy right there. We have this one right here. It's that puppy right there. Let's see what we got here. New lower price, $100. Dewalt. There's a nice little savings. Just roaming through the hand tools real quick to see what we can find or not find. Some empty peg hooks. Oh, this store still has those call buttons. The Lowe's up there that I was in Leesburg did not have the call button, so I wonder if they're getting rid, in certain stores only, the call buttons. That's interesting. I don't know how effective they really are. Let's look through the ceiling fans, see what we can find as an adventure there. Oh, buy more, save more. I think some of these are doubles of what we've seen, but go through it anyway. All right, let's roam through ceiling fans. There's a clearance one. And I got them up high up here. I don't see the one on display. Installation. $60-inch, 52-inch. This is something that Home Depot does not do too well, is promote their install program. Another little clearance. It is Harbor Breeze. Let's make sure we get the model right. 61. There is no model 61 that I even see. It must have been in this empty spot right there. But there is no shortage of ceiling fans either, or any kind of electrical items. Oh, now I did not know, of all the Lowe's that we have ventured into, I never looked at these over here. They have a lot different ones than Depot. I'm actually impressed. Very impressive. These also, Depot does not carry. If you are in search of any of these, it looks like Lowe's carries them. I would call first though, because just like Depot, every Lowe's is different. The prices are not bad whatsoever. Oh, and of course, well, no, they're glass. Let's not break anything. My luck. All those lumber prices over there ending in 13. Oh, there's some more ceiling fans, bulk savings. That's the same one, same one, same one. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, check this out. That's neat. Too bad that wasn't on clearance. But this is, well, new lower price. And that is just about gonna do it here at the Lowe's in Lake County, Claremont area, Cagans Crossing. As always, we thank you for being part of our family. We hope you join our family by subscribing and hitting that like button. We always want to take you on an adventure to somewhere. Oh, there's some more clearance. That one's not bad. This one here is 146 down to, what was it, 209, 146, 199. We did not see the scene on TV. There's those moving straps. $37.99. I think they were $19 on TV like everything else is. And you pay for separate shipping. I can't even talk. No, it's so late. Separate shipping, processing, and you get another one. But of course, that's not like that in stores. Something caught my eye. Check out these little mini lamps. We'll always find something here when you browse around more. And that's not a bad price. And it's Allen and Roth. We thank you once again. Please join our family. Consider joining our family. From our hearts to your heart, live, love, and laugh. Always be kind and rewind. We'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment if you see anything that you like, or if you know something a little different that we browsed past, like these ATV little guys here. We'll see you in the next video. On the way up and on the way out. Where's that big grill again? I really like this grill. This is where we're going to close it out. Oh, I didn't even see this little... right there. Again, $6.49. Man, not bad. This video's over. We'll see you on the next adventure. Did go to Disney Springs yesterday. Check that video out. Also, if you would. Crowds are definitely back. A friend of mine went to Magic Kingdom Saturday during the rain, and it was busy. Disney Springs Sunday afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, was busy. But more or less, we'll see you soon. Spring into the season. Spring into the next video. We'll see you then.